Okay, here's the review with some multiple choice type questions like your test. We cannot afford to miss the multiple choice. So they're going to ask you, identify the solid given its net. Look at the net. Hopefully you chose that this was hexagonal prism. Number 2, hexagonal pyramid. That was D. Then we have this set. Name the solid given the net. Number 3, cylinder. Number 4, cone. Now, 5 and 6 are dealing with what we just did about that table, memorizing the rule and what happens to scale factor. So the dimensions of a rectangle prism are multiplied by 6. The total surface area of the new pyramid is, what do we do to that scale factor? We square it for area, so the answer would be B, multiplied by 36. Same thing, we multiply, our scale factor is 6 here, but we're talking about volume. What do we do to that scale factor for volume? You cube it, so the answer is C, multiplied by 216. So those are your type of multiple choice questions for your test. Then we're going to go to types of, it's freezing on me, I think, open-ended questions. So I'm going to give you an example of open-ended questions and tell you which ones to really focus on the review packet. So here we go. You will have a question that says find the surface area. Whenever it asks you to find the surface area, okay, because it says find surface area, that means the total, okay? So first thing you have to do is give me the formula. Look on your formula chart, know what shape this is. It is a prism, triangular prism. Our formula for surface area of a prism is PH plus 2B. Okay, that's the first thing you're going to have to be able to give me to get a point. Second thing, make sure we don't think the base always means the bottom. The base is the shape of the two congruent parts. That's why it's the triangle. So the first thing we need to do, P, I'm going to change this color to green. P means the perimeter of the base. That's our triangle. So we're going to add up the sides because we're going around. If I'm walking around this prism, I do not walk up the 3. I walk around the 6. I walk around the 8. And then this hypotenuse, this side here on the top, is the same as the 10 on the bottom. So it's 10. So the perimeter would be 6 plus 8 plus 10. So we get that it is 24. Then we need the height of the prism. The height of the prism is always your distance between the bases. So our height is 3. And then we need the B. The B represents the area of the base. Area, of base. Our base is what shape? Basically, got to know that. So to find the area of this base, we're going to have to do base times height. We're going to have to do 1/2 base times height. Or you can say base times height divided by 2. The key is recognizing what would be the base and the height of the triangle. So we should be doing 6 times 8 divided by 2, which is 24. So our base, our B, is also 24. And now all we're doing is plugging it into the formula. Our perimeter was 24. Height is 3 plus 2 times our area of our base, which was 24. And so we are going to just calculate each part. We're going to do, and then follow our order of operations. So when we do 24 times 3, this would give us 72. Check and see, get the rest of yours. I probably shouldn't do all of it. Your answer, hopefully you see it, All right, guys, so go to your formula for this shape. This is a pyramid. The surface area of a pyramid is 1/2 PL plus B. Again, P is the perimeter of our base. Our base is the square. Sorry, so we're rocking here, then there, then there, then there. So perimeter is 20. L is the slant height. Slant height. Know where it's slanted. That is right here. And then B is the area of the base, which is 25. So we are just plugging it in. 1/2, 20, that's 5.6 plus 25, and get your answer. All right, thanks.